water. Oh, that was so cute. Yeah.
What did she do?
Delilah, you want your first pup cup? What's this? Delilah.
Do you want Trisha to film it for you?
She might have to. She doesn't know it's hers.
Oh,
is it yummy? A little messy. You got a oh, you're so cute. You got whipped cream face.
Ooh, she likes
She
it.
likes it. Is that yummy? Oh, look at you.
Such a big mess.
Such a mess. Seriously, you're filming it vertically?
Oh my god. Well, you said you're just showing your mom it, I guess.
I will
right?
put it in a vlog or
Okay,
something.
forget it.
Because I'm going to film her at the beach today, too. Oh my god. It's your baby. Okay, no more. No more. Just half of one right now. That's a lot. Here, can you hold it up like that real quick?
What? What do you want?
Let me see the cup.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. Can I have a napkin?
I like how she didn't say anything.
I said literally just hold
You hold
the
it
cup
up, and I was like, up where? And then you kept going like this, and I was like, is she praying? Like, what? Here you go. Oh, it's still going.
Delilah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
She's so scared. It's funny.
You're okay, Delilah.
And she's like,
Oh my gosh, you're soaked.
Oh, you good? You're okay, Delilah. You're okay.
Delilah, she's your friend.
It's a pup. You can say hi.
That's your friend.
Oh, she didn't get angry, so that's
Don't
good.
worry, one day she'll be the big dog.
Yeah. Oh, look at her go. So much fun. She's like, as long as I'm with Auntie Kelly, it's fine.
you go, good. Yeah.
You're okay. You're okay. You can say hi.
Is he a puppy?
Yeah.
Is she a girl? How
Yeah.
old is she?
A little over 4 months.
Nice. Be nice.
Delilah.
Obi.
Did they sneak up on you, silly?
Nice. Hey, sit. Sit. Hey,
Like Obi-Wan.
sit. That's actually what he's named after.
Really? Perfect.
They must have to have so much energy. That's
Yeah. They're so cute. You smell so many Why are you tripping Nina? That's so rude. Go, Nina! Yay! Wow!
Put her front paws on it and see if she'll come to me.
Delilah. Oh. Wow, come here, baby. Yeah.
Wow, good girl, good girl. Good girl. Keep
Was that fun? Oh, jumped off. Delilah, come here. Jump. Oh, yay! Wow. Oh, she went around it. Try over. Delilah. Delilah, come on, come on. Come here.
she's stupid.
You suck!
There, do it again.
She won't do it that way, only the other way.
She's a creature of habit like me.
Only the other way, yeah.
Fern has a blonde
She's like, I don't know what to do.
Good job. Thank you for being so funny. You have a good
Hi,
one.
puppy.
Look at Obi.
She's like, wait, I know this one.
Go play. There we go. Oh.
You be nice. He's small.
Careful, he's a lot bigger than you. He could crush you.
He will. You better be nice.
Delilah, be nice. Be nice.
That's honestly what she does to us.
Oh, you were so wet. Why'd you do that?
Yeah, let me just tell you.
Delilah, you're fine. Are you in the water?
Oh my goodness. I'm good.
You be nice, Obi.
Good girl, Delilah. See, they're friends. Her last friend sat on her, so. Are you in the water?
I'm trying to eat it.
So fun. Maybe this will make, oh. Maybe this will make baths easier for her. Dogs for a while and see what she does. Hi. Look at you. Oh.
I'm standing here. Find your own space.
Delilah,
Personal bubble.
they take that as you want to play really. Oh, he hit her. Good sit. Go underwater. In the water. Oh, that was so cute. Yeah. I think she's trying to get at her tail. I think she's hearing the water fall from her fur and doesn't quite know what it is yet. Yay! Good girl! Isn't that fun? Go get Walter! Oh, oh! Good girl. Oh, what do you have? It's a rock. Look at him swim. And you have a rock. Mommy's little genius. You want it? It's a stick? Go to water. You can get it. You can do it. Good girl. Wow. Yay. Look at you. Growing up.